You are not tired. You are not too busy. You are just addicted to distraction. And if you do not fix it, your goals will rot in your notes app right next to your broken promises. This is Napoleon Daily's discipline, where we don't sugarcoat success. We expose the patterns that are silently destroying your potential, and we do it raw. Let's cut the BS. You tell yourself you cannot focus, but you can binge 9 episodes in one night. You say you are overwhelmed, but you check your phone 97 times a day. You do not lack focus, lack control. Truth number 1. Your brain is fried. You have trained your brain to chase cheap dopamine. Every scroll, every swipe, every just 5 minutes rewires you. You are no longer bored, you are numb, and your brain craves the next hit like a junkie. Let's get real. If you cannot sit with yourself in silence, you dare not own your mind. Your phone does. Truth number 2. You are not distracted. You are weak with discomfort. Focus is not about color-coded to-do lists. It is about resisting the itch. It's a run when things get uncomfortable. But you're not resisting anything. You flinch at boredom. You run from stillness. And worst of all, reward yourself for escaping. You scroll instead of sit. You snack instead of think. You flee instead of finish, and then cry about not making progress. Please. Truth number 3. Focus is a rebellion. You think focus is a skill. It is a revolt against every app, every ping, every shallow thought that hijacks your attention. You either fight for your mind every damn day, or the world will keep renting it for free. Here is the harsh truth. If you don't choose what to focus on, someone else already has. Here is how you start fighting back. 5 minutes a day. Sit in silence. No phone, no music. You will itch. You will squirm. You will want to grab your phone. Do not. That is the withdrawal. That is the noise leaving your brain. That is discipline being born. Build from there, not with hacks, not with habits, with control, with discomfort, with silence. You want to focus life? Kill your distractions, or they'll kill your dreams. No more excuses. No more I shall try. Try silence. Try stillness. Try actually showing up for yourself. And if this slapped you awake even a little, subscribe to Napoleon Daily's Discipline, where we train your mind harder than the world ever will. Because until you master your attention, you shall stay broke, busy, and blind. Your call.